Autotrail Apache 634 SE.
I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got...
Autotrail Apache 634 SE. It's a 2.3 litre diesel engine, a 4-berth with a U-shaped lounge, just under 23 foot long and weighing at 3,500 kilograms. So let's have a look around the outside. So first hatch we come to is your leisure batteries, and this one does have 2 leisure batteries on. Next hatch we come to is cassette toilet. So there's your cassette, it just pulls out nice and easy. Any type of resistance, just go inside and close the cassette toilet. Here we have the hookup for the 240 volts. And then we have the filler cap. This is where we put the fresh water into the fresh water tank. This hatch here is basically underneath the bench seat, so it's easy access. And then we have an outside shower. Now this is the flue for the hot water. It has got a cap over the top of it, a frost prevention cap really. Now at the back we have a hatch, and that's where the spare tyre is housed. We've also got on it a bike rack, and also there's a reversing camera as well. So as we come round to the other side, we have outside barbecue point. Here are the vents for the fridge. And then this is actually gas flow system. So where you fill up for your gas is there. And then it's fitted with 2 bottles for your gas, LPG. And then here is where we put our diesel in. So let's have a look inside. It's on a Fiat Ducato chassis with a 2.3 litre 130 multi-jet engine, 6-speed gearbox with aircon and cruise control. So as you can see, it's a U-shaped lounge, and we can make up the bed by just pulling the slats out and then also sliding the cushions across. We have plenty of storage all the way around. And then coming a bit forward, we have the fire, which is gas and electric. And then next to this, we have 3 burner gas hob with electric hot plate, and then we have grill and oven. And then moving over to the kitchen side, we have, what's that called?
A sink.
We have a sink with plenty of prep area, and then just below the sink we do have a 3-way fridge. The van also has fitted solars on as well, so you can keep the batteries charged up. And then in the washroom we have the toilet, basin and a separate shower. We also have an extractor fan. For taking air in and out of the van. And then moving back, we have a nice big wardrobe area with a fixed table. And then below, more storage. And in here below, we have our sergeant unit with all the 240 fuses and the 12 volt fuses and your battery charger. And then what we do have here is the overcab bed. We do have fly screens and blinds. Control panel with your on off, your water pump, and then leisure battery, vehicle battery, and then your waste and fresh water levels. And then moving over here, we have the electric fire, and then this is the gas hot water. Autotrail Apache. It is a 4-berth with the overcab bed and then also the bedding area here, but it does only have 2 belted seat belts. So overall, good size van with plenty of room and also giving you the good quality Autotrail build.